In the dynamic world of cryptocurrency, mining remains a lucrative but challenging venture, especially with the evolving technology and increased competition. As we step into 2024, building a mining rig that balances efficiency with cost-effectiveness requires a nuanced understanding of both hardware and software components. This guide will walk you through the essential steps to assemble a mining rig tailored for the cryptocurrency landscape in 2024. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Cryptocurrency mining is the process by which transactions are verified and added to the public ledger, known as the blockchain. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems that validate transactions. The first miner to solve the problem gets to add the transaction to the blockchain and is rewarded with cryptocurrency. Step 1. Choose your cryptocurrency. Before diving into hardware, decide on the cryptocurrency you wish to mine. This choice will significantly influence your hardware and software decisions. While Bitcoin remains popular, its mining has become highly competitive and less feasible for individual miners due to the need for specialized equipment, ASICs. Altcoins, such as Ethereum Classic, Litecoin, and Monero, might offer more accessible entry points for new miners. Step 2. Selecting the right hardware. GPU versus ASIC miners. GPUs are versatile and can mine multiple types of cryptocurrencies. They are perfect for miners who want to switch between different currencies. For a 2024 mining rig, consider GPUs like NVIDIA RTX 3080 or AMD Radeon RX 6800 XT for their balance of power and efficiency. ASIC miners are designed to mine a specific cryptocurrency, making them more efficient than GPUs. However, they are expensive and can become obsolete if the mined cryptocurrency changes its algorithm. They're best for dedicated miners focused on a single, ASIC-compatible currency. Motherboard and CPU. Choose a motherboard that supports multiple GPUs and has enough PCIe slots. The CPU doesn't need to be the most powerful on the market, but it should be compatible with your motherboard. An Intel i5 or AMD Ryzen 5 processor should suffice for most mining operations. RAM and storage. 8GB of RAM is typically enough for a mining rig. For storage, a 120GB SSD is sufficient for the operating system and mining software. Power supply. Your power supply unit, PSU, needs to provide enough power for all components, especially if you're running multiple GPUs. Look for a PSU with at least an 80+ gold rating for better efficiency. Cooling system. Effective cooling is crucial to keep your mining rig from overheating. Consider high-quality fans or a liquid cooling system, especially if you're mining in a warm climate. Step 3. Assembling your mining rig. Once you have all the components, assemble the motherboard in the mining frame. Install the CPU, RAM, and SSD. Securely attach the GPUs to the motherboard using PCIe riser cards. Connect the power supply to the motherboard and GPUs. Set up the cooling system to ensure optimal airflow. Step 4. Installing the operating system and mining software. You can choose between Windows and Linux for your operating system. Linux is more lightweight and can be run from a USB drive, while Windows offers a more user-friendly interface. For mining software, options vary depending on the cryptocurrency you've chosen to mine. Some popular choices include ETHMiner for Ethereum Classic, CGMiner for Bitcoin, Litecoin and Dogecoin, XMR Stack for Monero, LOLMiner for Zcash, CorePowerMiner for Ravencoin, CCMiner for Vertcoin. Configure your mining software by entering your wallet address and selecting a mining pool. A mining pool is a group of miners who combine their computing power to increase their chances of solving the cryptographic puzzles and earning rewards. Step 5. Optimizing your mining rig. After setting everything up, monitor your rig's performance and temperature. Overclocking your GPUs can enhance performance, but will increase power consumption and heat output. Use mining calculators to optimize your rig's settings for the best balance between power consumption and hashing rate. Conclusion. Building a mining rig in 2024 requires careful planning and a willingness to continually learn and adapt. By selecting the right components and staying informed about cryptocurrency trends, you can create a powerful mining rig that offers a rewarding venture into the world of cryptocurrency mining. Remember, the key to successful mining is not just the hardware and software, but also understanding the market and optimizing your operations for maximum efficiency and profitability. Thank you for watching. For more information and updates on cryptocurrency investing, Visit our website, satoshilegacy.org, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Until next time, keep navigating the crypto world wisely.